Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see the logarithmic functions, and in that one we are going to see the laws of logarithms and the examples based on that. So now let us see first the laws. So the law one is log of AB to the base, this is called to the base A. So this is AB means this is multiplication over here. So that is going to be log of A to the base A plus log of B to the base A. This is the first law. The second law is log of A divided by B to the base A. So that is going to be log of A to the base A, capital A, that means to the base A minus log of B to the base A. This is the second law. And the third law is log of A, and this is the exponent, raised to C to the base A. So whenever this raised to C is there, that goes here, and that becomes here log of A to the base A. So this is the third law. So now let us see some examples based on this one. So using the laws of logarithms to evaluate, so here how are you going to do here? Log of 2 to the base 4 plus log of 32 to the base 4. So now what we can do here, this is actually addition. So you can see the law, first law, this multiplication becomes here. So this we can go in the reverse order. So what we can do here, because the base is the same for this one, so we'll multiply this into this one. So 2 dot means that is a multiplication, not the decimal. So we can also write a multiplication. So 2 into 32 to the base 4. So this is the law 1. So 32 into 2, that is going to be 64. So what we can see here, because the base is 4, this 64 we can also write as 4 into 4 into 4. That is 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. So that will be 4 to the 4 raised to 3. So now see here we have the law. This will go here. That is the third law, 3 log of 4 to the base. This is log of 4 to the base 4. Can you see the third law? This exponent goes over here. So that will be, this 3 will be as it is. So when there is the same log of 4 to the base 4, this is going to be 1. It can be anything, log of 8 to the base 8. So that can be 1. So if both the numbers here are the same, that is going to be 1. So 3 into 1, that is going to be 3. So now here log of 80 minus log of 5 to the base 2. Both the base are the same. So minus means it is going to get divided, the law 2. So this we are going to 80 divided by 5 to the base 2. So 5 ones are 5 16s are. So here log of 16 to the base 2. So what we can write here, because this is 2, we can also write this as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 by taking the factors. That is going to be 16. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So we can write here 2 to the 2 raised to 4. So here to the base 2. So this 4 will go here, the third law. So this remains. So now again here, as I said, if both the numbers are same, base and the here, so what we can write here, this for this whole part we can write 1. So 4 multiplied by 1, that is going to be 4. So now what we can see here, minus 1 by 3 log of 8. So we can write here log of 8, and this minus 1 by 3 we can write in the exponent. So here again what we can do, 8 we can write 2 into 2 into 2, that will be 2 cube. So this is going to be, for this one we can write here, and this the exponent is the same. So now what we can do here, this 3 and 3 we can cancel out. So 2 to the this raised to 1 minus 1. So this is the, we can write this whenever there is an inverse here, we can make it to 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2. And when we take, you can check this with your calc, you get the answer, that is approximately minus 0.301. Now we'll see the expanding and combining the logarithmic expressions using laws of logarithms to expand each expression. So now we can see here, we can write this one. This is multiplication, so we can separate it. Whenever there is multiplication, that's get added, log of 6 to the base 2 plus log of x to the base 2. So this is the answer. Again, this is the same. This is multiplication, so you are going to separate it, you are going to add it. So now what you can do further, now can you see the exponent is 3, so you can take over here that is 3, and this will be log of x to the base 5. Again here 6 you will take here, log of y to the base 5 you will write here. So this is the answer. Now this is actually the natural logarithm, in. So we can write here, this is division, means you are going to subtract it. In this will be ab minus in, this will be root of cube root of c. So now we can write this one as, this is actually multiplication, so we can write this, we can add this minus this one. So now again this remains the same. So we can again further what we can do here, 1 by 3 in, this is c. So this is the third law for this part. So this is the answer. So here we can write here, this is for 3 log of x plus half, log of x plus 1. So we can also write this as log of x, and this will be cube for this part. So again for this part we can write here, this whole thing will be as it is, and this 1 by 2 will go in the exponent, which is the law 3. So now what we can do here, this is plus, so we can also multiply by the law 1. So this into this part. So x cube into x plus 1 raised to half, that is law 1. So this is the answer. Now for this one, 3 in, this is s plus half in t minus 4 in t square plus 1. So for this one we can write here, and this 3 will go in the exponent here. Again we can write this part, this half will go in the exponent 1. Again we can write this whole thing over here, and 4 will go in the exponent, that is the law 3. So now what we can do here, here this is plus, so we can multiply it. So this into this one, n is here outside. Again for this one, this will keep this whole part the same. So now here this is subtraction, means it is going to get divided. So this both are in here. So this divided by this part. So this is the law 2. So this is the answer. Now we have log of p is log of p of 0 minus c log of p plus 1, and we have to solve for p. So this will be same. We have repeated the equation over here. Same. So for this one, c log of this means we can put this c in the exponent. So this will write same, and this will go in the exponent here. So now what will you do? Log of p is equal to, now can you see here this subtraction? So both side log means you are going to write it once, and this is going to get, this part, both of them are going to get divided according to law 2. So now we just want p, both the sides we have log. So what log is actually 1 by 1. So what we can do, p is this part. So this is the answer. Now we have to see how to change the base formula. So y is log of x to the base b. So we can also write this one, this base. So this one will be b raised to y is equal to just x. So now here what will you do when we take log on both sides for this expression? So what will you write here? Log of b to the base b raised to y to the base a is equal to log of x to the base a. So taking log of a on each side. So what will we get here? This will go here, so that will be y. This whole thing will be here, log of b to the base a, and this the same. So we will find the value of y. So y will be this the same, but this is actually multiplication, so this is going to get divided. So this will go here. So this is the answer. Again here we'll solve for this part. So this will remain as it is, and here we can separate this one. So we can also write a 1 by log of b to the base a, and this is log of x to the base a, this numerator as it is. This is the answer. Now look at here. For this one we can write here, we can take the base as 10. So what we can write here? Log of 5 to the base 10, and this one log of 8 to the base 10. So when you can look in your calci, because this we cannot do it directly. So you get the, when you divide this one, you get this answer. This is the approximate answer. When you write like this means that is the approximate answer. Now we will see for the compound interest here. If a principal P is invested at an interest rate R for a period of T years, then the amount A of the investment is given by. So whenever there is for 1 year means we write this formula A is equal to P into 1 plus R. Whenever the interest compounded, that is n number of times per year, that will be A into T, that is P into 1 plus R raised to R divided by n raised to nt. And when the interest compounded continuously, so we have this formula. So you have to remember all these three formulas for 1 year, for n times per year, and that is continuously. So now let us see the problem here. A sum of $5,000 is invested at an interest rate of 5% per year. Per year it is given here. Find the time required for the money to double if the interest is compounded. So we have to see if it is semi-annually, means year, half, and this is going to be continuously. So now first let us see for semi-annually. So what is given whenever the sum of $500 means the principal is given as, it is 5,000 means principal is given as 5,000, and then it find the time required for the money to double. Double means here this the amount will be 10,000, and what is R given? The rate is given as 5%. So whenever we have 5% per year, so 5% means whenever you have this sign, that means we write 5, and this sign means this is going to get divided. So 5 divided by 100, and that is going to be, whenever there are 2 zeros means you will write this 5, and then you will go backwards by 2 number and then put a decimal. So that will be 0.05. So R is 0.05. And here if it is going to double means here it is now, it's given here semi-annually. Whenever the semi-annually means 2 times, n times. So this is going to be, n is going to be 2. So now we have the formula for this one. So we are going to use this one because interest compounded and n times per year. So we are going to use the second formula. So here A is equal to P into 1 plus R by n raised to nt. So now we have the amount that is 10,000. So we are going to put below this 10,000, principal 5,000. So 1 plus R, what is R is given here? 0.05, and n is 2, and here n is 2, and we have to find out T. So here let us write the same. So now here what we can do, here is 1. So you will take 2. So you will take the LCM of that. So this is going to be T plus 0.05, that is going to be 2.05 divided by 2. So now how is that going to be? This 2T will be same. So now when you 10,000 is here and this is multiplication, so this can be divided. So we will take this on the other side. So here when you divide this one, 2.05 divided by 2, you get 1.025. This 2T as it is. So now this will be, this gets cancelled, 5 ones are 5 twos are, so this is going to be 2. This, the whole part is same. So now when we take the log on both sides for this one, so what you get, log of 2 is equal to log of this same over here. So now log of 2 is this 2T will go here. So that is going to be 2T log of 1.025, this is the same. So now what we can see here, now we want T means we will take this log on the other side. So this is on the left hand side. So if we take here this multiplication, so here this is going to get divided and this 2T will be here. But we don't want 2T, but we just want T. So this 2 we will take on the other side. So this is going to get divided, whereas this is going to be the same. So now you just calculate with the others. You can use a calci over here and you can just put the values, this value. So what you get is T is approximately, that is 14.04. So what did they ask here? Find the time required for the money to double. So here, so for the money will double in, this will be 14.04, that is years. And now we'll use the second one, that is for the continuously. So we have the formula for the continuously, that is A is equal to this is the formula given, P into E into R is to T. So now amount is 10,000. P means the principal is 5,000. E raised to, now rate of interest we have already seen in the previous one, that is 0.05, and this t is going to be the same. So now this is all multiplication, so this will be here, and this is going to go in the denominator. The rest will be the same. So this will be 2,000. This will be 2. This is going to be the same. So now what we'll do, we'll put in on both sides, that is the property of in. So that is in over here, and this for this as well. So now what we can do here, when you take this will go this side, so that will be 0.05t. So here, now what will be here? This this will be on the left hand side, so this is going to get divided, that is t. So again you can see this one, the value using your calci. So the t value is 13.86. So therefore the money will double in 13.86 years. So by this one we have completed today's work. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.